Ever feel like you're missing out on the exciting world of crypto and other investments? You see the headlines, hear the buzz, but actually getting started feels complicated, right? Like there's some secret club with a velvet rope you can't quite get past. Well, what if I told you there's a platform that aims to tear down those walls, making investing more accessible and, dare I say, even a little bit fun? We're talking about Uphold. You might have heard the name floating around, and maybe you're wondering, okay, but how do I actually invest using it? That's exactly what we're diving into today. Forget the jargon and the overwhelming options. We're going to break down the process step by step, so you can feel confident taking your first, or next, steps into the world of digital assets and beyond. First things first, you'll need an account. Head over to Uphold's website or download their mobile app. The sign-up process is pretty straightforward. You'll need to provide some personal information, just like setting up any financial account. Think of it as your digital passport to the world of Uphold. Once you've filled in the basics, you'll likely need to verify your identity. This is a standard security measure across financial platforms, helping to keep your account safe and secure. It might involve uploading a photo of your ID and perhaps even a quick selfie. Trust me, it's worth a few extra minutes for the peace of mind it provides. Once your account is verified, it's time to fund it. Think of this as loading your digital wallet. Uphold offers several ways to do this, which is one of its big advantages. You can typically link your bank account, use a debit or credit card, or even deposit cryptocurrency if you already have some. The specific options available might vary slightly depending on your location, but Uphold generally tries to offer a good range of convenient choices. Take a look at the different methods and choose the one that works best for you. Keep an eye out for any potential fees associated with each method, although Uphold often has competitive rates. Alright, your account is set up and funded. Now for the exciting part, actually investing. What can you invest in on Uphold? Well, the platform boasts a pretty diverse range of options. Of course, there's a wide selection of cryptocurrencies, from the big players like Bitcoin and Ethereum to emerging altcoins. But Uphold goes beyond just crypto. Depending on your region, you might also have access to fractional shares of popular stocks, precious metals like gold and silver, and even fiat currencies. This variety is a real strength, allowing you to build a diversified portfolio within a single platform. So, how do you actually buy something? It's designed to be user-friendly. Once you've explored the available assets and decided what you want to invest in, simply navigate to that asset within the app or website. You'll usually see a buy or trade button. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to enter the amount you want to invest. You can typically enter this in your local currency or in the specific asset you're buying. Double-check the details, the asset you're buying, the amount, and any associated fees before you confirm the transaction. And just like that, you've made your investment. Uphold also offers some handy features to help you manage your investments. You can often set up recurring buys, which is a great way to dollar-cost average into an asset over time. This means you're buying a fixed amount at regular intervals, regardless of the price, which can help to smooth out volatility. You can also typically set price alerts to stay informed about market movements. Remember, all investing carries risk. The value of your investments can go up as well as down, and you could potentially lose money. It's crucial to do your own research, understand the assets you're investing in, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Uphold provides the tools, but the responsibility for your investment decisions lies with you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.